Hi friends, welcome to a brand new vlog of Judos Dhamaka. This is your host and those Judos. So I am gonna watch the movie War Part 2. I am heading towards Boshu Street Cinema. This movie directed by Arun Mukherjee stars Hrithik Roshan, and this is gonna be the Bollywood debut of Junior NTR. It's part of YRF Spyverse. Now the trailer, teaser, everything looked high octane. Let's see how the movie goes. Here comes my review. So finally I have watched the movie War Part 2. It is a story about Kabir and Raghu, that is Hrithik Roshan and NTR. Though this will be a spoiler-free review, but still I would say there is a separate chapter on the childhood of Raghu and Kabir, and now there's a secret organization known as Kali who is lurking on the sky of India, and Kabir is the one who can stop it. Or is Raghu against him or with him? For that you have to watch this almost 3 hours long movie. Directed by Arun Mukherjee, it's part of YRF Spy Universe, and story-wise I would say that I am quite disappointed because of its length and wafer-thin storyline. And this secret organization known as the Kali, it may remind you of the sinister organization of 8 of Mandrake comic book series. Mandrake's 8 had tentacles like octopus, 8 tentacles. And this one, Kali, has 7 branches. The opening scene has Kabir Dhaliwal coming along with a wolf. That would remind you of the Phantom comic book series, the Phantom and his pet wolf, Devil. And NTR's entry was quite well written, but still, because of the lack of plot and thrill in this storyline, this 3 hours long movie is almost tad boring, and so is the music. None of the songs would be remembered, even with Hrithik's stellar performance. This movie won't be remembered as War Part 1. The two heroes of this movie almost became globetrotters, and they made us travel through almost whole of the world. एक्शन की अगर बात कहें, दिस कुड हैव बीन मच बेटर, पर एक एक्शन सीक्वेंस है जहां पर ट्रेन के ऊपर ऋतिक रोशन और एक लड़की की गाड़ी, हाँ कौन है लड़की, आई वोंट डिस्क्लोज दैट, दे ऑलमोस्ट गेट स्टक ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द ट्रेन, एंड वो लड़की जब गिर रही है, देन विक्रम कम्स एंड सेव्स हर. दैट वाज अ रियली वेल रिटन मोमेंट. इसके अलावा जो भी सीन्स, एक्शन सीन्स आप देखेंगे, आपको लगेगा हाँ ये मैंने पहले कहीं पर देखा है. समटाइम्स इट विल रिमाइंड यू ऑफ जेम्स बॉन्ड और MI सीरीज और जॉन विक और जेसन बोर्न सीरीज, एंड देयर आर मेनी सच एग्जांपल्स. स्टोरी इज रिटन बाय आदित्य चोपड़ा एंड द स्क्रीन प्ले इज बाय श्रीराम राघवन. डायलॉग्स आर रिटन बाय अब्बास टायरवाला, पर एक भी काम नहीं किया. जो काम किया वो था द फैक्टर ऑफ Hrithik Roshan. Only because of this man, this actor, this movie, if it works, it will work only for Hrithik Roshan. NTR's portrayal of Raghu aka Vikram could have been much better. Kiara Advani looked pale and frail. Anil Kapoor's acting reminded of his acting in the movie Fighter. There's reference of James Bond in the movie. A particular action sequence may remind you of Indiana Jones, the Dial of Destiny. But despite all these things, the movie on its first date has collected rupees 52 crores. This is net domestic box office business. So this was your host and those Judos signing off today. I'll be back in the next episode with a new dose of entertainment, new dose of Dhamaka. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, and also like and follow my Facebook page Judos Dhamaka. I'll be back in the next episode with a new dose of entertainment, new dose of Dhamaka. Hasta la vista, Judos Dhamaka. Let's do the Dhamaka.